Good PM. Ngayon po ay Saturday, October 12, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong Saturday, October 12, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong October 12, 2024 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later' for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Saturday, October 12, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 is 37 million pesos and Grand Lotto 655 estimated jackpot price is 53 million pesos for October 12, 2024 Saturday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Saturday, October 12, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.